What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Timon. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a GOD Mode Phearable Tune. It's not highly recommended to run this tune only because if you have your stock cats, you'll probably blow it out. And for prolonged use, as stated in their description, it's not good for the overall vehicle's health. But in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys it for entertainment purposes, just to let you guys know how it'll sound and everything. So I have the MA Performance Race catback exhaust, the PRL 3-inch downpipe, and I got the stock front pipe. I also got the PRL 3-inch front pipe coming soon. I think it'll arrive here tomorrow, and I'll probably do an installation video on that whenever I get the chance. It's been freezing out here lately, so we'll see when the time comes. But yeah, I'll probably be doing another Phearable GOD Mode tune with a full 3-inch turbo back exhaust system to see how it'll sound, just in case anyone else is wondering also. But when the time comes, we'll get to it. So let's do it. What'd that say? 20 degrees out? Whew. Oh man. So I'm probably gonna run and get some gas, let the car warm up a little bit before I start and send a rod or piston flying in the atmosphere. Also, when you install the GOD Mode tune, the knock count is gonna have like 43,000 knock counts or whatever. Just ignore that as stated in their description, because obviously there's gonna be more sound and vibrations while you're doing the whole burble, map, crackle tune, pops or whatever. So this is nothing to be worried about. So what I noticed so far with the Phearable tune compared to the TSP Stage 1 tune is that my fuel trim seems to be more on point. It seems to be near perfect. But since this is the GOD Mode tune, the short-term fuel trim is usually going to be in the negative as you decelerate, because it'll just burble and do all that type of stuff, as you guys can see. But long-term fuel trim is at 0% right now. So when you buy the Phearable tune, it comes with 2 tunes if you opt to buy the GOD Mode tune, which is like $199. So right now I have the second file, which is the GOD Mode tune. So it does comes with 2 different file tune, one for the regular tune and then the GOD Mode tune. And I have the GOD Mode tune currently on the car right now. So as I let off like right here, it'll burble and do all that type of stuff and make the short-term fuel trim go all crazy and everything. So I wouldn't recommend running this tune for long, just for reliability purposes. And I don't want nobody coming at me like, oh bro, like, nah, don't come at me for your own doings and stuff like that. I'm recommending not to use this tune. This is just for showing you guys how it sounds and everything. So the crackles and pops where it'll really get loud is from 3,000 to 5,000 RPMs, and when you decel, so when you let off the throttle from that range, that's when it'll pop with the push of the cruise control button right here. So right now it's not gonna do it because I don't have the cruise control button on. So with a tap of this button right here, that's when you get all those crazy obnoxious rod blown piston flying out in the atmosphere. I'm just kidding. There's no known facts yet of this tune blowing up things, but I'm sure it'll cause some extensive damage long-term wise. So I'll do one right here. So push the cruise control button, cruise main on. with those pulls, the knock control is still at 0.49. I don't know how, I don't know why, but shout out to John Vega for that. So like, see, it's at about 2300 RPMs right now and it's not doing it. Jesus. So one thing I noticed too, when you do put the cruise control on to have those cracks and popples, I think rev hang is turned on because the revs kind of hold a little bit, but once you click the cruise control off, rev hang I guess is off. So later on in the night, I'll probably get some footage outside when I have Raygon and Justone here with me. And then to turn it off, cruise, done. All with the push of a single button. So I'll probably do a review, comparison review with the TSP Stage 1 and the Phearable Tune as I get more familiar and comfortable driving this. But so far, the thing I've noticed with the fuel trims is that it's spot on and perfect. The knock control doesn't move as much when I'm wide open throttle. But we'll see. I'll drive it for a couple more weeks and see. Alright, that's enough. I probably knocked off like 30,000 mileage off my engine, so so I'll get some outside shots of the God Mode Tune later on when I have people to help me record as I drive by, do a couple flybys and this and that, but I'll end it here for now.